pot. Guys, today I'm gonna make for you Jamaican good pumpkin soup. And guys, here to start it off, I have some water in my pot. And to start it off, I have some pumpkin which I washed and I cut in small pieces. It's about a pound or a pound and a little bit of pumpkin. I like my pumpkin soup to be rich and yellow. So I'm gonna dump this in my boiling water. Just like that. And then to add to my pumpkin soup to let it boil a little first, I have some chicken. It's a little bit of chicken feet and chicken legs and thigh. And a little bit of the backbones, because you want the bone to get, that bone gives the soup a good flavor. And I'm gonna also dump this in. I already washed and cut it. And I'm gonna dump that into my soup. And I'm gonna turn that stove up so the water comes to a boil and simmer. Cloves of garlic, just gonna cut it in two. Just like that. One dashi. I have some yellow yam. I have one Irish potato. And here I have my cornmeal and I have some flour. So here I have my yam. I'm just gonna cut them in small pieces. I'm gonna add my dashi. If you have cocoa, you can put one. Also gonna add some Irish. I want this, I cut it small because I want it to boil in the soup and this gonna add the body to the soup. So I'm gonna add some Irish to give the body to the soup. I'm gonna leave that to simmer. Welcome back to the cooking of my pumpkin soup. Now it's almost over. Now I'm gonna season my soup. I'm gonna add 1 stalk of scallion. You just have to beat it like this to get the flavor. And you're gonna drop it in there. I washed my thyme already and I'm gonna put that in. I have 2 Maggi vegetable stock. I'm gonna add 2 of them to that. Guys, this is a big pot of soup. If you're making a small pot, you can go ahead and just use 1 cup soup. But because I want mine to be flavorful or have lots of flavor, I'm gonna add 2 pots. Sometimes, because this is pumpkin soup, I'm not gonna put a pumpkin cock soup in it. You can just go ahead and put regular cock soup. So I'm going to sprinkle it all over because I don't want it to be lumped or clumped together. And when I put in the first one, I'm going to give the pot a little stir. Just like so. I'm going to turn the stove up a little bit. Just like that. And then I'm going to add the second one. Just like so. And we're going to go ahead and stir it a little bit. You guys, it smells so good. I'm going to add a little MSG. It's a matter of choice. You don't have to put it in, but I like it, so I'm going to put a little tip. Just like that. And guys, that's all I'm putting. And guys, this is all I'm putting in my pot. You can add a little bit of butter if you want, but I don't use butter, so this is what I'm putting in it. I'm just gonna let it simmer and let it come to a boil, and then I will show you the finished result. So my beautiful peeps, welcome back, and I'm gonna dish out my pumpkin soup, and I'm gonna serve that up with I'm gonna dish out my pumpkin soup. I'm gonna serve that up with 2 slices or 2 little pieces of garlic bread. So guys, this is the end result. Let me just stir it and show you. So my peeps, this is the end result. Pumpkin soup, serve up with some garlic bread and a tall glass of ice water. So guys, this is it. Rich Jamaican pumpkin soup. Please try it and tell me how it tastes. Big up and be blessed. One love guys, up close and personal. Delicious. Enjoy. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed.